Hi, this is Sarah Fayez and you're watching Sarah's Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a basic dal in Gujarati style. For preparing dal, I have taken 1 cup of tur dal. First, we need to wash the dal until the water is clear. After washing the dal, if we have time, we can soak it for 10 to 20 minutes. That will help with the digestion. Here I am going to cook the dal right away without soaking. For cooking dal, I have added almost 3 cups of water and some salt and turmeric. In the instant pot, I am cooking the dal in pressure cook mode and I selected 6 minutes. If you are using a regular pressure cooker, you can wait until 3 whistles or 4 whistles depending on the cooker. Here are some ingredients that we are going to saute and use it in the dal. We can chop these things while the dal is being cooked. For cooking 1 cup of dal, here I am using a medium sized tomato, half red onion and some coriander leaves and 2 cloves of garlic and 2 green chilies. For sauteing onion and other ingredients, here I have taken a pan. Once the pan is heated, add 1 tablespoon of oil, and for tadka I am using only jeera or cumin seed. First we can saute onions, then we can add rest of the ingredients and tomato one by one. Once the onion and tomato are cooked and soft like this, it's ready to be added to the dal. Now the dal is ready and you can serve it with white rice or chapati, and if you add little ghee to this dal, it will taste even better. In this video, I have showed the very basic dal recipe. We can enhance the same recipe by adding a vegetable to the dal. For making a vegetable dal, we can add any one of these vegetables like bottle gourd, rich gourd or spinach. For example, if you want to make a spinach dal, you can add the spinach when you're cooking the dal. Other than adding the vegetable, the recipe is going to be same like the basic dal recipe. I hope this simple recipe video helps you. If you like this, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also, please let me know your comments. Thank you for watching.